Welcome to Roatán, Honduras. Over the next few days, we're exploring this beautiful Caribbean island from the beaches and local communities to some hidden gems. After arriving in Roatán, it was time to get settled. However, it was late, so we will start exploring tomorrow. For this trip, we stayed at Sosegada Villa. Perched on the hillside overlooking the Caribbean, this villa became the perfect home base for exploring the island. Each morning began with panoramic ocean views, and each evening ended with unforgettable sunsets.
I wake up feeling no pain, long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty.
Our first stop is West End, one of the most popular areas in Roatán. Here you'll find restaurants, bars, dive shops, local shopping, and plenty of places right along the water. West End is definitely a place you want to explore on foot. We spent some time walking around, checking out the shops and just enjoying the laid-back island atmosphere.
Close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here.
Welcome to West Bay Beach, one of Roatán's most famous stretches of coastline. White sand, crystal clear Caribbean water, and incredible views make this one of the island's must-see destinations. Good morning from Roatán. Today we're heading to one of the island's hidden gems. One of the highlights of our trip was Brady's Cay. Brady's Cay, about a 40-minute drive from our villa, followed by a quick 3-minute boat. Ride to the island. This private island offers beautiful beaches, calm turquoise water, excellent snorkeling, and a peaceful atmosphere. Since there were no cruise ships in port during our visit, we practically had the island all to ourselves. Admission was $25, and that included a $25 food and beverage credit, making it one of the best values we found on the island. The island was peaceful, and overall, it was the perfect way to spend the day in Roatán. Tonight in Roatán, we're celebrating something special, Willie's birthday. After a full day of exploring the island, we came back to the villa for a night of good food, drinks, laughter, and most importantly, family. We brought in a private chef to prepare dinner right here at the villa, giving us the perfect opportunity to relax and celebrate without going anywhere. Our next stop is Luna Beach, another beautiful spot on the west side of Roatán. Surrounded by tropical scenery and a clear Caribbean Sea, Luna Beach has a much more peaceful and relaxed atmosphere. This is the perfect place to slow things down, grab something to eat or drink, enjoy the beach, take a swim, and simply appreciate the views. If you stay until later in the day, you may be treated to one of those incredible Roatán sunsets. The next day, we left the busier western side of Roatan behind and headed east to experience a completely different side of the island. Our destination was Jonesville, a waterfront community where we would board a small boat and head out to explore the mangroves. As we traveled deeper inside, the waterways became narrower and the mangroves began forming natural tunnels around the boat. This is a completely different Roatan from the beaches, resorts, and tourist areas we'd experienced earlier in the trip. And just like that, our time in Roatán, Honduras has come to an end. Roatán completely exceeded my expectations. From Brady's Cay and Luna Beach to the Mangroves, West End and breathtaking island views, every day brought something different. If Roatan's on your travel bucket list, I can honestly say it's worth the trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Travel with Antwan for more travel guides, hotel tours, and adventures from around the world.